Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you guys to smash that like button. If it's your first time here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video and you're up to date on our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. So here we are with Tyde, TYDE, Tyde Inc. and the stock had an explosive move today. We're gonna talk about some key levels, but it wasn't the only stock going higher. The overall market in the SPY went higher, and our SPY bot at 2:05 p.m. sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up 500% plus within hours, guys. And if you want to know about these stocks and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to our SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources, maximizing in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So Tyde here continues to fight upwards after hours, and we need to talk about what's going on here within the charts. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So the one stock I mentioned this morning was BWV. We were watching this one early on in the pre-market. It had strength, had a bull indicator on 42 Vision, full strength here, and was pulling back and consolidating right before the bell. And from that moment forward into the bell and after the bell, it hit a highest point of 25% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Tyde, Tyde Inc., TYDE, and it continues to push up higher. And we talked about this earlier in the video, how after hours it's trying to reclaim the highs of the day. And we're going to break down why it's going higher. I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Tyde. Tyde is under a bull indicator today. It was under a bear indicator from yesterday at 105, hit lows here of 86 cents, and then it got a bull indicator today in the pre-market at around 88 cents and hit highs all the way up here of 177, nearly 100% plus move. Now things pull right back down, found support at 120, and now it's trying to push back up to the 150s and 160s, right? So let's talk about why the stock is going higher, what to look at going into tomorrow. I mean, this is my opinion alone, my perspective, not financial advice, but I'm going to share with you guys why I believe the stock is going higher. And this used to be a part of Bbig. Those of you that are familiar with it, this was the spin-off, and this is actually now a separate entity, and it's its own business that's publicly traded. And Tyde is part of the crypto space, right? And if you look at this article here, it states how it is part of the Web3, right? It specializes in that, which focuses on the niche of crypto, right? And the name says it itself, right? Crypt, it has to do with the crypto space, and they spinned it off to focus on that alone. They removed that value from Bbig and it made it its own entity to be traded alone. Now, and it's also focusing on NFTs, but very important to realize now that yes, Tyde is going to have some indirect correlation. And another thing that was pulling it down was the bear market in crypto. And if we pull up cryptos right now, like Ethereum going up, Dogecoin going up, also Cardano going up, and even Bitcoin, if you pull up Bitcoin, going up, right? Everything's pushing up higher. It's having an indirect correlation since Cryptide is focused on this niche, focused on this sector of the markets, and that's what their business is about. It's creating the indirect correlation because Web3 has to do with crypto, the future, NFTs, and so forth. And then again, here's another article stating why crypto's going up and how crypto is indirectly affecting Cryptide is because of the Fed rate hike meeting, right? They basically decided to do 0.75, and a lot of the market was actually pricing in a full percentage point. Turned out it was 0.75, and there was talks about probably pulling up to a 0.5 or another 0.75 if necessary, but 1% is not what it's looking like right now. And the crypto space is liking it, so it's having an indirect correlation to Tyde. And then also, apart from that, the stock market is liking this news because it went up as well. I mean, a full transition here from yesterday's dip area, bull indicator from white with red borders to red with green borders, dark green and bright green here, as the strength and momentum continued throughout the day. Pretty strong here. It's a very interesting setup. Going into tomorrow, it's going to be very interesting as well. But these are the reasons why Tyde is moving higher, because of the crypto space, the overall market, and also the stock itself set up at a very low point of extreme weakness, bull indicator, and momentum to the upside so far on the 30-minute. And if I put the 15-minute through the volatility, it got another bull indicator here in the aftermarket hours. So these are the main things I'm watching going into tomorrow. The first thing is support down here, 118. We want to see this stay above 120. If it can stay above 120, the bulls are having some strength. I'm going to be watching this bull indicator. If it does not get canceled out by a bear indicator, want to see this bull indicator continue to have strength to the upside. And the high of the day was 177. If that can get broken through, the next high would be $2 of resistance, right? Super important for the bulls to try to test that level and break through it. So that's the support and resistance I'm watching. Now on the bull indicator here on the 30-minute, the 15-minute has it. It canceled out the previous bear indicator, and there's no bear indicator here as of yet. I'm going to see if this bull indicator can continue to hold true. And on the 4-hour, you could see here, we're under a bull indicator, bright green bars. We'll see if this can continue to hold true as well and does not get canceled by a bear indicator. And on the 1-day chart, it's been under a bear indicator since way up here at $6.39. And right now, we just transitioned from white with red borders to white with green borders. I want to see if this transition can go into red with green borders or dark green bars, and eventually even a bull indicator that can cancel out that bear indicator on the 1-day chart. Now, our SPY bot wasn't the only home run opportunity sent out by our bots. Our Tesla bot sent out a home run opportunity as well. Sent out a bull indicator since 9:55 a.m. And from that moment forward, there was a continuation of strength all throughout the day. And Tesla call options went up 500% plus, 300% plus on the day, guys. If you guys want to receive this edge and clarity over the charts with our 42 vision indicators, our SPY bot, QQQ bot, newly released Tesla bot, we have an Apple bot, and we have other bots on the way. Check out the link down below. We look forward to having you join us. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.